Hello and welcome to Smart Photo Reviews channel. Today we're having one very interesting lens from Nikkor or Nikkor. It's 85mm 1.8 S lens for a new Z or Z mount. Very useful focal length for portraiture, lens that I could recommend to everyone. So let's start with the unboxing. As you can see, you already noticed that all the boxes with this new series of Z or S lenses are redesigned, are completely black with hint of an old design. If you remember, of course you remember old gold boxes, so they kept that yellow color along with white color of lettering. So the box looks like this from all the sides, as you can see. Okay, let's see what's inside. We get this little carrying pouch or carrying case, which is differently designed than before. Personally, I don't like this design that much, but that's what they decided. I prefer these cases and pouches that were with F series lenses. But that's what you get now. Of course, these are manuals, and when we go deeper down the box, we have from this side, in protective plastic, we have lens hood. Lens hood looks like this. The markings say it's HB91, made in China. I will try to show it to you. Nikon from this side and other markings from this side. It's of course plastic. Most of them are. Very few are made of metal. And then we go with lens itself. The lens is also protected here and in this plastic. Okay, this is the lens, 85mm f1.8s lens for Z mount cameras. So the lens is designed very well, high quality materials, very good plastic and a lot of metal. The cap, the lens cap, is redesigned also at Z series, because if you remember, the old caps were black and white letters of Nikon, and now it says Nikkor, and it is engraved in black plastic. So this is how the front cap looks like. The back of the lens, the back cap, is also redesigned because it's new mount, it's bigger, everything. And here is the lens from the front. You can see all of the markings. Here is the lens from the back. Nothing much to see, just contacts for communication with your camera. And from the side we have markings here, 85mm 1.8s. But also we have Nikkor S here and one and only switch for changing from autofocus to manual focus. And here we have Nikon markings. So on one side Nikon, on the other side Nikkor S. And of course here are some serial numbers and made in China. So it's different because most of the previous lenses f-series lenses were made in Japan, as far as I can remember. So for comparison, we have an older 85mm lens 1.8 for f-mount, which is similarly made in terms of quality, but the design is completely different. As you can see, I will take this cap off. As you can see, older cap, as I said, has white lettering and black cap, and you can compare the size of these two lenses. The newer one is bigger, higher, but is a little bit thinner, as you may see. So you can see them from the front, from the side, sorry, from the front, and from the back. I didn't take the lens caps off, but it's not important. So that's for comparison. We can compare them with their lens hoods mounted too, just for you to see. When we mount the lens hoods, the difference is even larger, bigger than before in terms of longitude, in terms of height, if you want. But that's what it is, because this lens has new design. It has to be of that size. So what can we tell you? If you want to know a bit more about these two lenses, subscribe to our channel, because in one of the following videos that is coming very shortly after this one, we will compare these two lenses, the older one and the newer one, and see how they perform in terms of autofocus and everything else in more detail than today. So that was the unboxing of the Nikkor Z85mm f1.8 S lens. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.